Good morning folks, Gary here again from Splat Lawyers Racing for Splat Lawyers, sponsors of the 2020 Tour de Brisbane, and today we're going to be looking at another aspect of our bike maintenance series, and I'm joined today here by Paul Bowden from Road Bike Rescue. How are you, mate?
Really well, thank you.
Alright, so Paul, what are we going to be looking at today to keep your bike in tip-top shape for the Tour de Brisbane?
Well, the Tour de Brisbane, not everyone's going to be riding their bike to the start line. A lot of the times people will be putting their bike in the car, and that will often mean taking wheels off. Now, one of the things I see regularly is that people will hastily put their wheels in and the wheels won't go in straight.
Let's jump in and take a look.
Cool. So we'll assume that the wheel has been out of the bike, but now you just want to be sure that they're in straight. So the first thing you do is lean on the bike, literally put your chest onto the seat and then release the skewer. Once you've released the skewer, just by the weight alone will push the wheels into the dropout properly. So the skewers or the axle will literally go into the dropout properly, which means they're now sitting straight. So often in case you may have put it in a hurry and it's not sitting straight, and when you go to squeeze the brakes will actually push the wheel across. So you'll see that the wheel is actually moving over to one side, which means it's not in straight, the gears aren't going to work properly, the brakes aren't going to work properly. Simple remedy, lean on the bike, release the skewer, and it'll pop straight. Close it back up, you're ready to go. Same thing goes with the front. Instead of leaning on the saddle, you simply turn the bike around, lean on the handlebars, release the skewer. It should pop straight. If it's already straight, nothing will happen, which is great. Close it back up. You can then check to see things are straight by squeezing your brakes.
Thanks, Paul. There you go, folks. Another great tip. So if you're travelling to the start line of Tour de Brisbane 2020, there you have it. You can now put your wheels in straight, so the experience is going to be that much better. So next time on Splat Lawyers TV, we're going to be looking at another aspect of bike maintenance. But remember, the entries are now open for Tour de Brisbane 2020, which is on the 5th of April. Jump onto tourdebrisbane.org and get your entries in. And if you need any bike maintenance work at all, make sure to check out Road Bike Rescue on Facebook at Road Bike Rescue. I'll see you next time for Splat Lawyers TV.